Hey everybody, welcome to another installment of Brad Cook Stuff. This week, I decided I want to go back to the fundamentals. A little bit of meat, a little bit of potatoes. So we're going to have ourselves a nice, hearty meat and potatoes meal tonight. I got myself some Australian beef, and I always have some instant mashed potatoes from the US. So we're having meat and potatoes tonight. Let's take a look at the ingredients and see what we're working with. Here are the ingredients for tonight's dish. First, we have a huge slab of Australian beef. We've got some Flavor Bomb Burger seasoning. And finally, we have some Baby Red's instant mashed potatoes. That's basically all we're really going to be using tonight. Let's go ahead and get this beef sliced up. So this is my Australian beef. We're going to go ahead and slice off a few small pieces of this. I really think that's about enough. We're going to go ahead and put this away. I could do something with this later, but this is what we're going to work with tonight. And we're going to be seasoning them with this Flavor Bomb Burger seasoning, which has all sorts of interesting flavors into it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and coat each one. Should do it. Check this out. Oh, that tastes good. That's very good. All right. Let's get these into a pan and start frying. So I've been told I need to get this pan nice and hot before I do anything. I think this pan is nice and hot. Let's go ahead and put on some butter. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to sear these pieces of beef. All right, let's flip these over right now. All right, let's turn the heat off on these. I would say these are done. For potatoes, we're going to have these Idahoan brand Baby Reds. I've had these before. These are excellent. All right, we'll go ahead and dump these into our container here. All right, we just need to boil 2 cups of water. I've already got them placed, so let's go ahead and get those boiling. All right, here's 2 cups of boiling water. We just finished this. There we go. Look at that. All right, let's get this stirred up. All right, I think these are done. Let's go ahead and get some on a plate with our beef and try it out. All right, moment of truth. I have here some seared Australian beef flavored with some Flavor Bomb burger seasoning, and some Baby Red's instant mashed potatoes. Oh man, all this looks really good. I'm gonna need to have a little bite of it here, but first, oh, it smells great. I swear to God. All right, let's have a little bite here, see how it tastes. Damn, that is really good. The other piece here. Oh, this is really, really good, man. Seriously, all right, let's try some of these Baby Red's instant mashed potatoes. Oh man, these things are hot. Well, those are good. Those are good and a very nice flavor. And of course, that extra butter that I put in there. Ooh, the other bite of these. Oh my God, those are excellent. All right, let's have a little more of this beef. That is incredibly good. I really feel like this is a major success for me. And all I did was just sear some beef and make some instant mashed potatoes. So these mashed potatoes are actually a little bit sweet. They are really flavorful and a little bit thicker and rougher than usual. I like having pulp in your orange juice. Meanwhile, this beef here, yeah, I didn't cook it for very long, but the small amount that I cooked it, plus the flavoring I put on it, makes them really delicious. So tonight, I basically wanted a little bit of a meat and potatoes dish. Nothing too fancy, and not a whole lot. You'll notice I left most of that beef behind, but what I made was thin sliced and very flavorful and not overcooked. Meanwhile, the mashed potatoes, yeah, they came from a pouch. All they required was some hot water and some butter, but they're really, really good. So I have plenty of the beef left and a lot of mashed potatoes left behind me, which I can have at any time. As for the rest of that beef, I can slow cook it, or I can slice it up and do something like this with it. The possibilities are endless. Anyway, as always, appreciate you guys stopping in, and we'll see you in the next video. Mm.